things happen. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. It could have had 2 restarts, but I chose to dance through them because it didn't really affect the flow of the dance itself. So it has no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Good things happen. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step forward right, step forward left. We're now going to do a right rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward onto your left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Walking forward, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a weave with a point. So we're going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, and you're going to point your left toe to the left side. This is going to slightly angle your hips to the right. You're now going to do a weave with a side step to the right. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the side, cross your left behind your right, and step your right foot to the right side. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our quarter pivot to face 9 o'clock. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and you're going to do a chassé to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. You're now going to cross rock your right over your left, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a quarter turning chassé, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot facing 9 o'clock. You're going to cross rock that left over right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a 3/4 walk around, traveling over our right shoulder. We're going to start by making a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot. You're now facing at about 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You'll be at about 6 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You'll be at about 9 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your right, which will completely square you up to the 9 o'clock wall. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto our right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. Here's a little tip for that walk around. You have 4 steps to go from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock, traveling over your right shoulder. You want to make sure that you're making a slight arc on the floor. So when you're walking, you want to walk in a little bit of a curve to the 9 o'clock wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right, you're walking that 3/4 turn over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walks. Walk, walk, rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot, weave, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side chassé, cross, rock, quarter turning chassé, 3/4 walk, 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 rock, recover, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, you're walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. Like I said earlier, a few of the walls it's going to sound like you could restart, and I could have. But because the music doesn't really change a whole bunch during those restarts, I chose to dance through them all so that you have no tags and no restarts. When you hit that second restart point where it should be, everything falls right back into place and you hardly notice that it was ever off. So on the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our walk. Walk, walk, rocking chair, quarter pivot, weave, cross, side behind, point, cross, side behind, side, cross rock, side chasse, cross rock, quarter chasse, 3/4, walk, 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 left rock, recover, left coaster step, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 2, rocking chair, step, quarter pivot, weave, cross, side behind, point, cross, side behind, side, cross rock, side chasse, cross rock, quarter chasse, 3/4, walk, 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 rock and coaster step, now walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the dance doesn't need an ending because it naturally ends facing 12 o'clock at the end of your coaster step. I hope this helps you learn. Good things happen. Now that you practice the tutorial, you can practice with your rear demo that happens prior to this video. And I hope that this helps you learn it enough so that you can hopefully dance it on a dance floor near you. Thanks so much, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.